Good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to all the panel members and the shareholders for the 29th Annual General Meeting of Joindre Capital Services Limited. Now I hand over the proceeding to Company Secretary. Over to you, Madam.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Board of Directors of Joindre Capital Services Limited, I, Mrs. Shweta Jain, Company Secretary, extend a warm welcome to each of you to the 29th AGM of the company. This meeting is being held through video conferencing in compliance with the guidelines issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and Securities and Exchange Board of India. I am joining you today from the company's registered office. Please note that the proceedings of this meetings are being recorded to ensure a smooth flow of the meeting. All participants will remain on mute during the session. I have been informed by the moderator that the requisite quorum is present, and therefore I now call this meeting to order. Before we proceed, I would like to introduce my fellow panel members who are present with us today. Mr. Anil Mutta, Chairman of the Board of Directors, who will be chairing today's meeting. Mr. Subhash Agrawal, Whole-Time Director, joining us from the registered office in Mumbai. Mr. Paris Bhatia, Whole-Time Director. Mr. Dinesh Khandelwal, Whole-Time Director of the company. Mr. Rakesh Sharma, Non-Executive Independent Director, Chairman of Audit Committee and Chairman of Nomination and Remuneration Committee. Mr. Shirish Shetty, Non-Executive Independent Director, Mrs. Jeha Shah, and Ms. Pooja Bajaj, Non-Executive Independent Director. Mr. Pramod Surana, Chief Financial Officer of the company. We are also joined by Mr. Parag Jain from Mrs. Banshi Jain and Associates, Chartered Accountants, our statutory auditors. Mr. Gauri Shankar Toshniwal from Mrs. G.S. Toshniwal and Company, Chartered Accountants, our internal auditors. Mr. Punit Shah from Mrs. PC Shah and Company, our secretarial auditors, and the scrutinizer for the e-voting process of this AGM. The profiles of these directors have been provided in the annual report, which was sent to you via email, and I hope you had an opportunity to review them. The registers required under relevant provisions of the Companies Act 2013, along with the auditor's report, the secretarial audit report, and other relevant documents are available for inspection on the company's website under the Downloads AGM 23-24 tab. As this AGM is being conducted through video conferencing, the facility for appointing proxies is not applicable, and therefore the proxy register is not available for inspection. The notice convening this 29th AGM, along with annual financial statements and reports of the directors, have been circulated via email in accordance with the circulars issued by the MCA and SEBI. With your permission, I will take these documents as read. I would like to highlight that statutory auditors report on both standalone and consolidated financial statements do not contain any qualification, adverse observations, or comments that could negatively impact the functioning of the company. Therefore, I will take these reports as read. The secretarial audit report similarly does not carry any qualifications, adverse observations, or comments, and I will take this report as read as well. Thank you for your attention. At this point, I would like to invite Mr. Anil Mutta, Chairman and Whole-Time Director of Joindre Capital Services Limited, to share his thoughts and address this esteemed gathering. Over to you.
Yeah. Good morning and a warm welcome to all our valued shareholders, esteemed board members and employees and all the members present. It is a privilege to address you today at the 29th Annual General Meeting of Joindre Capital Services Limited. The fiscal year 2023-24 has been a year of profound transformation, both for the global economy and for our company. We have navigated through an environment marked by economic uncertainty, rapid technological advancement, and shifting market dynamics. Despite these challenges, Joindre Capital Services has emerged stronger, more resilient, and better positioned for further growth. As a stockbroking firm, we are deeply connected with the pulse of the market. This past year, we witnessed volatility and unpredictability across global financial markets, influenced by geopolitical tensions, inflationary pressure, and evolving regulatory landscapes. However, the Indian economy demonstrated remarkable resilience, underpinned by strong domestic demand, policy support from the government, and a renewed focus on infrastructure and digitalization. Turning to our performance, I am pleased to report that Joindre Capital Services has continued to build on its solid foundation. For the fiscal year 2023-24, our total income increased to rupees 4,151 lakhs, reflecting our ability to leverage market opportunities and deliver value to our stakeholders. Our profit before tax stood 1,013.25 lakhs, and after tax consideration, our profit after tax was 49.113 lakhs. Our total comprehensive income, which captures all aspects of our financial performance, amounted to 233.51 lakhs. These results are a testament to our strategic vision, operational efficiency, and commitment to excellence. We have made significant investment in technology, risk management, and customer services, all of which have contributed to our strong performance. However, we recognize that the road ahead is filled with both opportunities and challenges, and we are committed to continue improvement and innovation. As we look to the future, our focus remains on three key strategic priorities: innovation and technology. The financial services industry is undergoing a digital revolution, and we are at the forefront of this transformation. We are investing in cutting-edge technology to enhance our trading performance, improve customer experience, and ensure the highest standard of security and compliance. Our goal is to make trading more accessible, efficient, and transparent to our client. Sustainability and ESG. We are committed to integrate environment, social, and governance principle into the business strategy. This includes not only managing risk but also identifying new opportunities that align with sustainable growth. We believe that by embracing sustainability, we can create long-term value for our shareholders, contribute to well-being of our communities, and protect the environment. Client-centric approach. Our clients are at the heart of everything we do. We are dedicated to understand their needs, providing personalized solutions, and delivering exceptional services. By building strong relationship with our clients, we aim to be their trusted partner in navigating and complexities of the financial market. Beyond our financial performance, we take pride in our commitment to corporate social responsibility. Over the past year, we have supported a range of initiatives aimed at improving educational, healthcare, and environment sustainability. We believe that business have a responsibility to give back to the society. We are dedicated to make a positive impact on the community we serve. Before I conclude, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our employees whose dedication and hard work are driving force behind our success. I am also grateful to our board members for their invaluable guidance, our clients for their continued trust, and our business partners for their unwavering support. As we move forward, I am confident that with your continued support, Joindre will continue to grow, innovate, and achieve new milestones. I encourage all shareholders to actively participate in today's discussion, as your insight and perspective are crucial to shaping the future of our company. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to a productive and successful annual general meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We now take up the resolutions as set forth in the notice. We will open the floor for any questions of members after all the resolutions are tabled. Accordingly, I will now only read out the resolutions. Ordinary business resolution number 1, to receive, consider and adopt the audited standalone financial statements of the company for the financial year ended 31st March 2024 and report of the Board of Directors and auditors thereon. Resolution number 2, to receive, consider and adopt the audited consolidated annual financial statements of the company for the financial year ended 31st March 2024 and the reports of auditors thereon. Resolution number 3, to declare dividend of rupees 2 per equity share, that is 20% of the face value, rupees 10 each, for the financial year ended 31st March 2024. Resolution number 4, to appoint a director in place of Mr. Subhash Agrawal, who retires by rotation and being eligible offers himself for reappointment. Resolution number 5, to appoint a director in place of Mr. Dinesh Khandelwal, who retires by rotation and being eligible offers himself for reappointment. of the company. Special business, special resolution number 7, reappointment of Mrs. Jaya Shah as an independent director of the company for the second term of 5 years. Special resolution number 8, to approve the acceptance of deposits from members pursuant to section 73 subsection 2 of the Companies Act 2013, read with Companies Acceptance of Deposit Rules 2014. The text of the resolution, along with explanatory statements, is provided in the notice dated 17 June 2024 to the members. Now, I would request the moderator to invite the registered speakers one by one. I would like to highlight to the speakers that when the moderator takes your name, your mic will be switched on. You will have to unmute mic from your end and start with your views, opinions, or comments. I request each speaker to restrict their speaking time in order to give opportunity to all the registered members to speak. I further suggest that we be allowed to listen to all the questions and reply to them collectively, as questions are often repeated. Speakers can raise their queries, if any, in relation to the items of business as per the notice, annual financial statements, and the content of the report 23-24.
Thank you, ma'am. I would now like to call upon our first speaker shareholder, Mr. Rama Ratilal. Ma'am, Mr. Rama Ratilal is currently not present in the panel, so we'll move further with our second speaker shareholder, Mr. Yusuf Rangwala. Mr. Yusuf, you are in the panel. Please enable your video and you may ask your question.
Very good morning, sir. आपको आवाज आ रहा है, sir? Hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Sir, I am speaking from Mumbai, sir. Yusuf Rangwala. I am the oldest shareholder and I am the मैं जैन जेविरी में अपना अकाउंट है सर. आपके साथ में सर जैन जेविरी इज सब ब्रोकर. इट इज शेयर मार्केट फोर्थ फ्लोर सर. रोटंडा बिल्डिंग में सर. सर उनके साथ में अपना बहुत अच्छी सर्विस है. यू आर गिविंग वेरी एक्सीलेंट सर्विसेज टू आवर शेयर होल्डर, our as a shareholder, and also your people are very excellent and very knowledgeable, sir. Sir, Anil sir, can you give me appointment, sir, after the Diwali, sir? Sir, at the time of Diwali, can you give us some appointment, sir, after a small get together for us as shareholders, so that we can meet and we can have a chat with you, sir, and we can have some knowledge with you, sir. This is my humble request. Point number 2, as you declare a dividend on 2 rupees share, on 20% dividend, that is very excellent. As you mentioned, sir, what is the world ranking में अपना brokerage में अपना number क्या है, sir? What is the world ranking our number as a brokerage client, sir? Point number 3, sir, how many copies you printed, sir? Sir, अपना सविता मैडम को सर मैं सर बोलना सर मुझे एनुअल कॉपी भेजे सर. मुझे एनुअल कॉपी नहीं मिली. प्लीज सेंड मी एनुअल कॉपी. एंड आई थैंक्स सरिता मैडम फॉर गिविंग अस लिंक. She is a very good services. She is a very good provider of services. I am very thankful to link people, especially Sarita madam, for giving us a chance, sir. Sir, I would like to know. I opened a trading account, but the demat account is having some problem, sir. Please help me to open a demat account, sir. I would like to have a share in your account, sir. There is a problem. The PAN card number they're telling you. People are saying the PAN card number is not okay, sir. You please help me to open the account, sir. I am having a 4 account, sir. Please tell your people to help me and open the account as soon as possible, so that I can enjoy with you, sir. Your trading is very excellent because I'm having an account at BOI. When I sold, I'm facing some problems, sir. Please please tell the people to help me, sir, to solve this problem, sir. This is my humble request, sir. Nothing more to add. I end my speech praying the God for our full support, and I also very thankful to our Joindre Capital. They are the very excellent provider services, and link people are also very excellent, sir. Anil sir, how is your health, sir? Today you are looking very fresh, sir. Today you are smiling, sir, due to good profit, sir. As you mentioned, we are having a good profit. So when I can accept a bonus from your side, whether we can accept a bonus, sir, nothing more to add. I end my speech. Wishing you a very happy Raksha Bandhan, which is coming on Monday. Wishing you a happy Raksha Bandhan, Govinda, Dasera, सब त्योहारों को सब शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ. सर मुझे प्लीज जरा हेल्प करना सर, आपके तरफ से बोलना सर जोइंडर वाले को. मंडे को मुझे फोन करके सर मेरा एज सुन मेरा प्रॉब्लम सोल्व करने को बोलो सर, क्योंकि बहुत टाइम से मेरा प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है सर. क्योंकि अकाउंट एक ही है सर, मेरा पैन कार्ड परफेक्ट है सर, वो क्यों ऐसा कर रहे हैं सर? मुझे इतना सर मुझे जानना है सर, व्हाई पीपल आर फेसिंग सर, दे आर नॉट ओपनिंग अकाउंट सर. आई एम हैविंग अ ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट विद यू, but they're not opening a demat account, sir. They're trying a problem, sir, for me. You please help me to open a demat account soon as possible, sir. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, Vande Mataram. Thank you very much. Wishing you a very good festival, all the festival. फूलों की खुशबू कलियों की बार और जोइंडर का साथ हमेशा रहे, सर. Thank you very much. जय हिंद, sir. जय हिंद, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to call upon our third speaker shareholder, Ms. Lekha Shah. Ma'am, you are in the panel. Please enable your video and you may ask your question.
Hello, am I audible, ma'am?
Ma'am, you're audible.
Thank you, ma'am. Respected Chairman, sir, Board of Directors, and my fellow members, good morning and regards to everyone. Myself, Dekasha from Mumbai. चेयरमैन सर, मेरा प्रीवियस स्पीकर यूसुफ भाई ने सब कुछ आपको बता दिया, मैं रिपीट नहीं करना चाहती हूँ. सर, एक दो क्वेश्चन मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ आपसे. What is the roadmap for the 2 years, or how many women employees are working in our company? Or sir, please continue video conference meeting in future. So I strongly and wholeheartedly support all the resolutions for today's meeting. और कंपनी सेक्रेटरी को मैं धन्यवाद बोलती हूँ, टाइम पर मुझे स्वता मैडम ने एनुअल रिपोर्ट भेज दिया. थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to call upon our next speaker shareholder, Mr. Kishore Ratilal. Ma'am, Mr. Kishore Ratilal is currently not present in the panel. So we move further with our fifth speaker shareholder, Mr. Rajendra Seth. Sir, you are in the panel. Please enable your video and you may ask your question.
हाँ हेलो, आवाज आ रहा है सर?
Yeah, sir, you're audible.
हाँ, चेयरमैन श्री, मैनेजमेंट टीम, शेयर होल्डर भाइयों, मैं राजेंद्र सेठ थाना महाराष्ट्र से बोल रहा हूँ. मैं कंपनी का कार्य से एकदम संतुष्ट हूँ सर, और आपकी लीडरशिप ने कंपनी और आगे बढ़े, यही ईश्वर से प्रार्थना. और सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट का भी बहुत ही अच्छा काम है, उसको भी धन्यवाद देता हूँ. और सब रिजोल्यूशन में पूरा सपोर्ट और हार्दिक शुभेच्छाएं. बोलने का मौका दिया, धन्यवाद. और मीटिंग का टाइम भी अच्छा रखा है ताकि किसका ऑफिस का टाइम खराब नहीं हो. बोलने का मौका दिया, धन्यवाद सर. धन्यवाद. थैंक यू सर.
Thank you, sir. With this, we move further towards our next speaker shareholder, Ms. Bhanumati Ratilal. Currently, Ms. Bhanumati Ratilal is not available in the panel. So we move further to our seventh speaker shareholder, Mr. Yogesh. Sir, you are in the panel. Please enable your video and you may ask your question.
Am I audible?
Yeah, sir, you're audible.
Chairman Sir, Gupta ji, first of all, good morning to all the board of directors, you and all my fellow shareholders, sir. Chairman Sir, in your opening remarks, you have mentioned about how the company is right now progressing and how we are going to move ahead. Sir, as far as my queries are concerned, I would just like to ask what is the impact of the recent budgets, that is the tax, that is short-term capital gain tax on our clientele base. Secondly, sir, first of all, I would also like to congratulate you for a great set of revenue which you have generated in spite of this challenging time, and also thanks for the dividend of 2 rupees which you have given, sir. This shows the commitment towards the shareholder. Thank you for that. And sir, I would also like to thank our company secretary for all her correspondence work related to this AGM. And sir, I would also like to thank Link in Time people, Sarita ma'am, for providing this link well in time, and through which we are doing the video conferencing. And sir, my last question to you, sir, is, so what do you think about how are we going to manage our borrowings in coming 2 to 3 years, sir? Although they are not alarming or something, they are within our limits. But how can we control them? That's my question. And sir, I cannot forget and I can't end this speech without thanking our shareholder relationship. I can say him as a manager between shareholder and board of director, Mr. Shukla ji, who is always guiding us and who is always helping us whenever we come to his office. Does treat us very really well. Thank you for allowing me to speak. I support all your resolutions, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now we move further to our next speaker shareholder, Mr. Kori. Mr. Kori is currently not present in the panel. So we invite our ninth speaker shareholder, Mr. Anil Parekh. Mr. Anil Parekh is also not available in the panel. So we move further with our 10th speaker shareholder, Mr. Bimal Kumar Agarwal. Sir, you are in the panel. Please enable your video and you may ask your question.
Hello. Good morning to everyone. First of all, I'll thank the company secretary Shweta Jain and his team and also the management staff and the shareholder. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to the other shareholders who are joined from any part of the world. I don't know, people like, since it's a video conference, people might have joined from any part of the world. That's why I'm said this thing. So only one question I got. What will be the impact of war on our company, Israel-Iraq war? That's all from me. Thank you very much. Another question was already asked by the speaker. I got no question to ask. That's all from me.
Thank you, Bimal sir. Now I would like to invite our last speaker shareholder, Mr. Anil Mehta. Sir, you are in the panel. Please enable your video and you may ask your question.
Hello,
Yes, sir, you're audible.
thank you, madam. Good morning. This is Anil Mehta. Attend this meeting from Mumbai. We have a few questions. The question number one: how does the management monitor intercompany transactions? Next question: what are the major opportunities and challenges facing the company, and how does the management plan to respond? Next question: what are the principal objectives in the company's business plan for the next year, for the next 5 years? Next question: how does the company assess its liquidity and availability of the funding sources for operations? And the last question: what is the company doing to improve the shareholders' relations? With this, we are supporting all the resolutions, and thanks to the secretarial department led by Ms. Shweta Jain for the cooperative and supportive nature, and also link in time for their good services. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. With this, we complete our speaker shareholders query. Now I hand over the proceeding to management. Over to you.
I request Mr. Anil Mutta to reply to the questions.
I thanks all the shareholders for their inquiries as well as question and their blessings. There are few inquiries or questions in all the shareholders which I will consolidate and reply. As far as women employees are concerned, we have more than 30% women employees in our company. Our borrowings are, as a going concern, they are within limit, and there is nothing alarming about that. As far as the budget impact is concerned, the impact was only for a day or two, as we have seen in the market, because of the increase in the long-term capital gain and short-term capital gain. But now, as the market is in strong, because of strong economy, it is in the bull phase. There is not much impact of the budget on the market in negative way. Impact of war, it remains to be seen what will happen. That we are also following the situation very closely. As far as the challenges are concerned, whichever challenge comes, we are always trying to equip ourselves to face those challenges, and we are doing the same thing. Our objective is to increase the other spectrums in the capital market also to give services to our customers. We are trying to expand in other segments like mutual fund distribution and everything. Mostly, we will start this year mutual fund distribution. Our liquidity in that we manage every day on day-to-day basis. Our finance team looks after that, and we don't see any problem in that. With this, I think I answered all the questions. Thank you very much. Shweta, you are mute.
Thank you, sir. I wish to inform you that pursuant to the provisions of Section 108 of the Companies Act 2013, read with Companies Management and Administration Rules 2014, Regulation 44 of SEBI Regulations 2015, and as per the circulars issued by MCA, and SEBI, the company had provided remote e-voting facility to shareholders of the company to cast their votes electronically on the resolutions proposed in the AGM. The remote e-voting facility was opened during the period from Wednesday, 14th August 2024, 10 a.m. to Friday, 16th August 2024, 5 p.m. I would further like to inform you that as per the general circulars issued by MCA, the members attending the meeting through video conferencing can exercise their right to vote through e-voting even during the AGM. Those members who had cast their votes through remote e-voting cannot vote again through e-voting during the meeting. I would request the moderator to activate the link for allowing the members attending the meeting to vote electronically. In case you have any difficulty, please feel free to contact them. The consolidated results of remote e-voting and e-voting during the meeting shall be announced by intimation to stock exchanges and will be placed on the website of the company as well. As well as on the website of the Lincoln Time India Private Limited, being the agency appointed for providing the e-voting platform. I thank all of you for your continued support to the company and look forward for the same support in future as well. I hereby declare the meeting as concluded. I thank all the panel members, including the board members, the statutory auditors, the secretarial auditors, the internal auditors, and shareholders for being part of this AGM. Thank you.